Okay, boys and girls, it's writing time. This week we're writing poetry. In our last lesson, we wrote a free-verse poem. Today, we will write a rhyme. Do you remember what it is to rhyme? It is when words sound the same at the end. For our poem to rhyme, the words that sound the same must go to the end of each line or sentence. Before we begin, we have to plan. For today's lesson, you will need a piece of paper and your pencil. So, let's get started. I want to write a poem that rhymes. I already brainstormed my words and thought it would be fun to play a rhyming game. Take a look at my pictures. Let's think of which two rhyme. Are you ready? Can you think of which word rhymes with cake? Cake and snake rhyme. Say it with me. Cake, snake. Can you think of which word rhymes with bee? Yes, bee and tree rhyme. Say it with me. Bee, tree. What about a hat? Which word rhymes with hat? If you said cat, you are absolutely correct. Say it with me. Hat, cat. Here's the last one. What word rhymes with jet? Jet and net rhyme. Say it with me. Jet, net. Now that we know my words that rhyme, I can write my poem. This is what our poem is going to look like. I will use my rhyming pairs to help me fill in the blanks. So, let's get started. Do you remember the rhyming pairs? Let's go over them quickly. Bee, tree, hat, cat, snake, cake, jet, net. Excellent job, guys. Now I'll write my poem. The title of the poem is I Like. I will use my rhyming pairs to help me write. I like hats and I like cats. I like jets and I like nets. I like snakes and I like cakes. I like bees and I like trees. Easy peasy. Now that my poem is finished, I can read it. Remember, one of the fun things about writing a poem is that you can be creative in the way you read it. Are you ready to enjoy my poem with me? Here we go. I like. I like hats and I like cats. I like jets and I like nets. I like snakes and I like cakes. I like bees and I like trees. It's your turn. Remember our pattern, and your poem is going to be about I like. Begin to think of words that rhyme. You can ask for help if you need to. You need to have enough words or rhyming pairs to complete the poem. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Once you're done, read your poem to someone. And until next time, bye bye.